Hey, welcome back to my channel. Handmo 2-inch exhaust pipes for Harley Sportster. Fit Harley Sportster 1986 to 2021, Softail 1984 to 2021, Dyna 1991 to 2017, Touring 1984 to 2021. Cannot ship to California. Upgraded matte black coating 1400F degree heat resistant coating and will not faded or melted in hot temperature. Built-in 18mm O2 sensor ports include plugs if you don't have O2 sensor, and we also supply 18 to 12mm adapter on 12mm sensors shipped with flange kits. Fit forward control bikes only. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.